Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is a keto recipe. It is a food recipe. It is a pasta recipe. So without further ado, let's jump in. Already subscribed to my channel. I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, the subscribe button's there. The notification bell is there. I've said it a million times. Let's just do it. Do it today. Alright, so today we are making a pasta. This is just something I came up with out of the blue of ingredients that I love. So let's talk about the ingredients. And I really don't have a name for this. It's a zucchini pasta. It's pesto, it's ricotta cheese. It's got a lot of good things going on. Very low in carbs and very easy to make. You and I both like that, right? All right, so let's talk about the ingredients, most of which I have sitting here, but a couple I have to get from my garden. But let's talk about what I've got going on with regards to the ingredients. All right, ingredients. Zucchini. And what I've done is just, look, I'm right here. Can you see? All I've done is take zucchini, this is one, and literally just take a peeler and peel them into nice ribbons. See how thin those are? They're going to cook super fast. There's no boiling, there's no baking, there's none of that. So you're just gonna do 2 zucchinis or however many you want, and you're just gonna make ribbons, okay? So we've got that. We've got a pesto. Yes, you can make your own. I normally would make my own, but I'm going on vacation, so I'm using pesto. But I'm going to put some ingredients that I normally would put in pesto, which would be fresh basil from my garden and heavy cream. I also have ricotta cheese. I also have a fresh Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, salt, pepper, olive oil, and some tomatoes from my garden. So little baby tomatoes from my garden. So let's go ahead and let's go pick. Wait, do you want to come with me? Come with me. I have my phone outside. Let's go pick some tomatoes. I have so many. I had to do something with them. So let's go get tomatoes.
Right, guys, this is my itty bitty garden, but look at this. I follow this gentleman. Oh, I wish I had his name. He always says abundance. And they are. Look at them all. So many beautiful tomatoes. I've got red ones. I've got orange ones. So we're going to pick them all and we're going to put them in this pasta dish. Pasta dish. Look how cute these are. And then I have a little basil plant here, but I have a giant one over there. But we're going to use, let me just get all these tomatoes because I don't want them to go to waste. And I'm actually going to get rid of these little 2 that decided to die before. Okay, then we're going to pick some basil without just picking the tops. My cat wants out. It's having a look at have a pepper. I have a pepper growing. All right, so we've got it. Let's go inside and make some pasta.
So I am turning the heat on, and I have olive oil in my pan. Oh, I forgot one ingredient, garlic. I freeze my garlic so that I always have garlic. So I'm just putting the clove into the sauce. It's just gonna flavor the noodles. So I'm gonna let that warm up. In another pan, I have the tomatoes from the garden as well as the basil. This pan, I've got the tomatoes, the basil. I've saved a little bit of basil for the garnish. We're gonna pepper these and I am going to put them just on low. And then I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit. And then I'm gonna put the noodles in. The noodles. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. I'm gonna make this a little bit spicy, like just add a little bit of pepper flakes. Crushed pepper flakes, I feel like that, I think that would be good. Have I ever made this before? Nope. Don't you love when I say that, y'all? Now remember, this is like seconds. The tomatoes will take longer than the pasta. We don't want it to be, you know, all mush. No, no, no. These are gorgeous ribbons. Now what we're gonna do is take a couple heaping spoonfuls of pesto. Choose a good one if you don't make your own. Like I didn't make my own. I didn't have time. And then we're gonna add a little bit of heavy cream because I add heavy cream to my pasta or to my pesto. I promise I will make my pesto recipe. There we go. And then more cracked. There's never enough cracked pepper. And then we're just gonna keep an eye on that little garlic clove because we want to make sure that. And we're gonna turn this on low. And we're go. And then we're going to add some ricotta. So this is on low. I love ricotta. Ooh, okay. I love ricotta. And we're gonna just let that blend in. Oh, this looks so good. I'm gonna actually turn the heat off and let this just do its thing. I'm waiting to this. Move this little bit of garnish over here. You know, they just need to do their thing. I have a pasta bowl. I am going to take the ricotta and the zucchini and everything and put it at the bottom. Oh, looks gorgeous. Oh, I see our little clove of garlic. Let me take that out. And then our tomatoes have popped. We've got the basil. That's gonna go right on top. Oh, so pretty. Turn that off. We are going to sprinkle some Parmigiano Reggiano. You could do some mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. Oh, you guys. Little pieces of fresh mozzarella. Oh, for sure, 100%. Why was I not thinking about this? Hello? Fresh mozzarella. It's gonna melt a little bit with all that beautiful, oh my God, gorgeous. And then of course, we're gonna take the basil, sprinkle it, a little bit of olive oil right on the top, a little bit of cracked pepper, and wow. Y'all, is that not stunning? It smells divine. Should we try it? Should we try some? I'll take a little bit. Just a little. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this looks so good. I'm gonna just send this recipe to my daughter. She's vegan. She'll use some vegan cheese. I don't know. Mmm. It's delicious. Of course it is. Not because I made it, just because of the ingredients. The tomatoes right from the garden, basil right from the garden. The only thing I do, you know, maybe be honest. A little bit of finishing salt. That's my summer pasta. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment, hit thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.